Welcome to CSEGURU. In this session, we will discuss a few examples related to math sequences. Identify the missing term in the series. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, and what is the next term we need to identify, and after that it is 54. Okay. So here if you are considering the difference between the first and second term is plus 1. And the difference between second and third term is also plus 1, right? And the difference between third and fourth term is plus 3. And fourth and fifth term is also plus 3, right? And fifth and sixth term difference is plus 9. Okay, so if you are considering this pattern, this is 1, 1, 3, 3, 9. And how we are getting this 1, 3 and all in the sense? And first term here is 1. And we are adding 1, 1 for next two terms. And third term here is 3. And we are adding plus 3, 3, 3 for next two terms. And fifth term here is 9. So we are adding 9 here, we are getting 18 next term. And the next term also, it is plus 9. So here if you are considering this pattern 1, 1, 3, 3, then it must be 9, 9. So 18 plus 9, we will get it as 27, right? And here, this is first term, third term, fifth term. And this is seventh term. And next it must be plus 27, right? So plus 27 in the sense we are getting 54. Next also it must be plus 27. And that number again we have to consider and add for the next two terms. Okay? And this pattern follows here. So the missing term here is option C, 27. Identify the next number in the series. 3, 4, 6, 9, 13, 18, 24, and what is the next term we need to identify? So the difference between the first and second term is plus 1. Second and third term is 4 and 6, it is plus 2. Third and fourth term is 6 and 9, it is plus 3. Fourth and fifth term is 9 and 13, it is plus 4. Fifth and sixth term is plus 5. Sixth and seventh term is plus 6. So this is a number sequence. So this is a pattern like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next it must be plus 7. So 24 plus 7 we will get it as 31. So the correct option here is option B, 31. Identify the next number in the series. 51, 47, 43, 39, 35. And what is the next term we need to identify? And here, the difference between the first and second term is 51 and 47. So, 51 minus 4 in the sense we will get it as 47, right? And the difference between the second and third term is 47, 43. So, this also minus 4. Next, difference between third and fourth term is 43, 39. This also minus 4. Difference between fourth and fifth term is 39 minus 4, 35. So this is a pattern of minus 4, right? So the difference between the fifth and sixth term also minus 4. So 35 minus 4 in the sense we will get it as 31. So the correct option here is option B, 31. Identify the next number in the series. 5, 15, 45, 135. And what is the next term we need to identify? So here if you are considering this pattern, this 5 and 15, this is multiply by 3, right? So if you are multiplying 5 with 3, we will get it as 15. And next, the difference between the second and third term is 15 multiply with 3, we will get it as 45. Similarly, the difference between third and fourth term is 45 with 3, we will get it as 135. So here the pattern is multiply with 3. Then we will get the next pattern, right? So 135 into 3 in the sense we will get it as 405. So the correct option here is option B, 405. Identify the next number in the series. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and what is the next term we need to identify? And if you are considering this sequence, this is nothing but a famous sequence, Fibonacci sequence. Okay. So what is Fibonacci sequence in the sense? Initially, first two terms are constant. That is 0 and 1. Okay. And if you are adding the previous two terms, 0 and 1, if you are adding in the sense, we will get the next term, that is third term. Okay. If you want to get the fourth term, add previous two terms. That is 1 plus 1, we will get 2. Okay. And if you want to get the fifth term in the sense, add the previous two terms. 1 plus 2, we will get it as 3. Next, sixth term, previous two term. 2 plus 3, we will get it as 5. Next, 3 plus 5, we will get it as the next term 8. 5 plus 8, we will get the next term 13. Next, 8 plus 13, if you are adding in the sense, we will get the next term. Okay, so this is nothing but 21. And if you want to get the next term in the sense, add the previous two term. 13 plus 21, we will get the next term. That is 34. Okay, and if you are adding these two terms, we will get the next term. Likewise, the pattern continues. So this is nothing but Fibonacci sequence. So the correct option here is option C, 21 for this term. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.